Hi everyone. So in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to leave a comment on VoiceThread. We're going to be using VoiceThread to do presentations later in the semester, but I just want to give you an introduction right now. And for this week, you will have to leave a comment on this VoiceThread, and I'll be giving you the link. So the instruction is to tell us about one of your academic goals for this semester and one fun fact about you. So in order to leave a comment on VoiceThread, we click on this plus sign here, and then you have a choice of leaving a text comment through your phone, using the microphone, or video. But for now, I'm just going to have you record an audio comment. So I will click on the microphone, and then I'm going to record an audio comment that answers this question above. So one of my academic goals for this semester is to ensure that I'm giving clear instructions to students about how to use VoiceThread. It is fairly new to me as well, so I will we'll be learning this together. So that's one of my goals. And one fun fact about me is that I tap danced for 14 years. So then I can stop the recording of my voice, and it's actually uploading the my message now. So that obviously was going to repeat my message, and what I'm doing now is I'm saving it so that over here my initials are here. So at the end of it, if I click on that, then the message will play, and I'll just give that a try right now. Okay, so that's all you need to do for this introductory assignment. Just upload a message to this VoiceThread, and once again, I'm going to give you the link to that, so you'll be able to do that. You will need to sign in to VoiceThread, but again, I'll go over that with you as well. All right, hope this is helpful.